Today's story is These Hands by Hope Lynn Price. These hands can touch. These hands can feel. These hands create. These hands can build. These hands can reach, can stretch, can teach. These hands can hug, can pat, can tug. These hands can squeeze, can tickle, can please. These hands can hide something inside. These hands can write, can fly a kite. These hands can talk, help grandma walk. These hands can read, can share, can feed. These hands can shake you wide awake. These hands can pray, can clap, can play, can sow the seeds for a brighter day. The end. What can your hands do?